Hello, friends. This is just a quick introduction on how to have the best experience with Aries, the astrology software. So, the thing you can do in Aries, you have an ambient input. So, you can just type in any number here and something like this, and it will parse it correctly as a date and a time. You can also put in PM and we'll do PM, etc. So, this is my birthday. I press enter and I get my birthday chart. I can do Command S to save it, Maximilian. Now I have my chart. So you can do everything you can do with a astrology software that what you would expect. For example, we can do transits. I press the T key and there you have your transits. So people were asking me about like how does it work with bi-wheels. In Aries, we can use the tab key to change the view between a comparison and a single chart view. So now I have the comparison view and I press tab and I get the transit in itself. And with every supplementary chart, you can step them in time with the arrow keys. With left, you go back in time. With right, you go forwards in time. And if you have done your research and you are like, hey, wait a minute, I want to get back to my initial state, you can just press the space key and it will get you back to that moment where you actually called the chart. You can also do this with solar revolutions, solar returns, lunar revolution, etc. You can use the key launches here in the sidebar, or you can just press the key that corresponds that you see here. So I can press R for solar revolution. This is my birthday this year. And you can also step in time and go to the next and previous solar returns, etc. In the case of synastry or composite charts, there are multiple ways to do it. Now I'm in my chart and I can press the synastry key and just choose any chart. I will choose Norweg 2026 and will create a synastry chart. Now when I press tab, I can switch between which chart is the inner and which is the outer. Simple as that. Now if I want to have a composite, I don't have to call another chart. I can just do right click, composite, and it will give me the midpoint composite chart. And if you're like, but I rather have the Davison composite chart, you can just press the tab key and you will get the Davison chart. As simple as that. And if you want to get back to your two charts, you can just right click the tab, split into radixes, and there you go. This is just some of the many ways that you can work very efficiently with this new astrology software. Comment more if you want to see more.